Hi, to customize always-on display on Amazfit T-Rex free watch, as a first step, press back button to wake up your watch and swipe left to open apps menu. From here, find and select settings, and then scroll a bit down to find display. After that, you will need to select always-on display by pressing this top select button. And now, once enabled, we can customize it. So firstly, we can go in Always On Style and select either to follow watch face or manually select its style. So there are a few options, as you can see, and some of them you can edit. Let's check this one. Here, instead of heart rate complication, we can set something else, for example, steps. Let's go back in the same setting, always on style, and yep, we can set different complication in this watch face. In this AOD, we can change background color like that. So you can set anything you liked and confirm by pressing select button, and this is how it will look. Another thing we can customize is schedule for always on display. So go in enable method, and you can either manually enable AOD like I did with the help of this gesture. You can switch to smart option, which automatically enables AOD during the day and disables during night. Or you can set schedule, so for example, for the mode to be enabled at this time and disabled at this time and confirm, or you can choose to enable it for all day. I'm gonna pick manual and save changes just using this back button. And yep, now let's test it. I'm gonna lock my watch, and this is my new always on display. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.